What's up, guys? It's another your credit coach with another weekly tip. And this week I want to talk about why you shouldn't wait until it's too late. What I mean by that is, you know you have bad credit. You're out shopping for homes. You want to submit an offer, but you don't have a pre-approval letter. Too late, that house is sold, someone else bought it. That's what I mean by don't wait until it's too late. Don't wait until you want to buy a car, you need to buy a car, and you have bad credit and you want to fix it. Why? Because when it comes to helping you with your credit, it takes time. Time is the best formula to help you increase your credit score. Now, there are a lot of strategies that we can help you with that would help boost it quickly, but I don't recommend you do that. Don't wait until it's too late, because if you know you have bad credit, I was there. Don't worry about it. Do something about it. Why? Because it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it.